The SendSafely integration for Intercom enables you to securely collect sensitive information from your clients directly from an Intercom chat session. A business or enterprise administrator can install the Intercom Sheet app from our Apps and Integrations page. You can also deploy our Intercom Drop Zone connector to further enhance the agent experience. In the course of an Intercom chat between your client and your human or AI agent, you may determine that you need to collect sensitive information from your client. From the Intercom help desk, you'll use the SendSafely shortcut to render in the chat a SendSafely drop zone, an end-to-end encrypted, mobile-friendly, one-way file upload form. Here, your client can upload sensitive information, such as a photograph of their passport or a selfie holding the front and back of their driver's license. You can also allow them to include a secure message with their drop zone submission, providing you sensitive text such as a social security number or API key in secret. Your support agent can then access the files and secure message from a drop zone submission via the Upload Complete button in the help desk view of the chat, or if you're using our Intercom Drop Zone connector, via the package link in the internal comment. With SendSafely's seamless Intercom integration, you can leverage our end-to-end encrypted file collection capabilities from your preferred AI-powered customer service platform. For more information on SendSafely's Intercom integration, check out the links in the video description.